Okay. It's time for a haircut. In the last 6 years, I've probably gotten 2 haircuts. One was a few months before my wedding, hoping that it would grow out nicely, and 2 was a few days before my wedding when it didn't grow out so good. But other than that, I have cut my own hair for a while. I ask someone else, does the back of my hair look good? And they say, and I say, well, I'm not looking at it. Good enough for me. So here is the last time I cut my hair, or the last time anyone cut my hair. It was me. This is what it looked like. Not saying I did a horrible job, but there are definitely some spots that are a little bit uneven. Also have an undershave. It has quite grown out, and this I usually convince someone else to help me with because it's very difficult to do on my own. But I'm gonna try it. As my mom always says, whenever I get a weird haircut, hair grows. So let's do it. Bad so far, I feel like. The next part gets kind of tricky because the only way that I've really figured out how to buzz the back part of my hair is to like cover it up right at, like, I feel the line with my fingers and cover it up, and then just like come at it with the buzzer, and then just like go up to my fingers. I don't know if it works very well because I never really look at the back of my head, but I guess we'll find out. Is it going well? Huh? I don't know. I can't see what's happening. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then try and figure out more of how good I got the back. of the reason why I end up doing this myself a lot of the time is just that sometimes I just really feel like I need some sort of change and I need to do that like impulsively. Your hair is just one of the things that's really easy to do that with. So there's lots of times where I'm just like, I need to do something about my life, and then I'll just like shave a piece of my head and I feel great. I don't know if that's a healthy way of doing things, but makes me feel better. Alright, here's what we got. Just tell me it looks good, okay? Okay, now you can really start to see where it was uneven, where it just kind of slants down here. And that's what I'm trying to get rid of. What I'm gonna try and do is just cut everything to the length of these guys. Okay. I find that the best way to like really be able to see what you're doing is just entirely cover your face in your own hair. Stop laughing. I just let my big old nose peek through. By no means a tutorial, and honestly I think I've done it differently every time. Can't see a thing through my hair. Close enough. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Sometimes with haircuts I feel like you just gotta push through and then maybe at the end it'll look okay. Don't mess it up. What a great look. Really nailing it. Twist your head around. Don't blind yourself with your own hand. And then guess. Let's try it from this side. I feel like I'm just completely guessing it. Maybe there's hair between these scissors. Okay, we have a straggler. I'm not quite sure how to get it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. And then the fun part. Nice and light and fluffy. I feel like a dog who just got a bath whenever I get a haircut. When they like shake all the water off and then go like zooming around the house and rubbing themselves on everything stinky that they can find. That's it. Ta-da! Wow, look at how actually same length it is. I don't know if it's just my hair because it's like ridiculously thick and I have a whole gosh darn lot of it. I mean, the individual hairs are very thin, but there's just so much hair that every time I've cut it myself and felt like, oh, this is gonna look awful. And then I'll like mess it around and stuff and it looks totally fine. It's saved me a decent amount of money over the years not paying for haircuts, and it's something I really enjoy because I feel empowered. And that's always a good feeling. See ya.